Meaning of diamanté.
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 Diamante.
Diamante. Diamante is a term used to describe a type of decorative embellishment typically seen on clothing, jewelry, and accessories. It consists of small, glittery rhinestones that are arranged in a specific pattern or design to add a touch of sparkle and glamour. The diamante trend rose to popularity throughout the 20th century and remains popular today. While the term originated from the French word for diamond, diamante decorations do not necessarily contain actual diamonds and are often made with inexpensive materials such as plastic or glass.